Say you want to turn this logo into this, or even this. Here's how. Over at firefly.adobe.com, start off with a simple prompt describing the material of the logo, as well as the background. The initial generation won't look anything like your logo, so let's change that. First, the content type should be set to photo. Then, under composition, we'll want to upload an image of our logo. Then make sure that the strength is set to 100%. Finally, and this is optional, but I found that the hyper-realistic effect produces pretty solid results, so I'm going to turn that on. Generating again will leave us with a few fun options to choose from, stylized using the material in the prompt. From here, we can dive back in and change up that material. For example, moss. And even switch out the background. In a grassy field, top-down view. Once you start experimenting with your prompts, you'll end up with some pretty snazzy results. Thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe for more content, and I'll see you all next time.